Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Antonio Chavez. I'm a student of UP Open University. Uh, my purpose is to conduct an interview related to your expertise, and this is part of my assignment in Communication 3. I assure you that in confidential information, I will not reveal or disclose it to anybody. And this is solely purpose for my assignment. Um, as I discussed to you earlier, mm, I will ask from you some information. Since my topic is about IT, may I begin to ask some information from you?
First of all, my name is Wilson Yu. I'm a graduate of computer engineering on STA College Calamba. I am now currently working here in Teletech Makati.
Uh, okay. First, can I know about your profile background?
Uh, Before I take my bachelor's degree, I took building wiring installation on TESDA. I am a product of TESDA. I take basic advanced electronics and computer technology. I also take culinary arts because I'm a technical person. That's why I took different technical course. And after that, I took business bachelor's of computer engineering because my hobby is technology, gadgets, and after my study, I learned that my field is more on programming, not only on hardware, and I have a experience and knowledge on software, so that I took a IT work.
Oh, that's good. Um, so, what are the common problems or concerns you encounter as IT specialist?
Before, on my first job, I was a self-employed as a technician of computer, tablets, or cell phone. Commonly, they have a problem on the hardware part, like troubleshooting some physical damage or function of the hardware. But as of now in IT industry, I see that there are lots of problems from not only on hardware but from software that make the hardware function, especially the software that they use to do their tasks or some tools that they do. We maintain and troubleshoot some software, debugging the software to make it work again on what it should be work or on the default part of the software.
Okay. So, can you give some advice on how to maintain a PC or laptop?
On PC, first of all, on maintaining it, you should maintain the hardware part first. Because if there's no working or good functioning hardware, the software will never work. The software of the hardware start from operating system.
I
The, so, the operating system is the one that make the hardware function. Then, in maintaining it, first of all, you should have a antivirus, and then the software should be properly installed and properly used. Because if you're not knowledgeable to use the software, the hardware and the software will not match and function properly.
okay. So, related to your job, uh, have you encountered a problem related to IT that you cannot find solutions?
Before, because I'm newbie on this field, especially in IT, and my specialty is hardware, there are a lot of software that I am not able to fix or debug because this is more on hierarchy of specialty of an IT.
Yes.
But I'm trying to research and ask some people that have a background or knowledge or idea regarding this, so that I will learn it by the help of other at the same time in exploring my capability to fix or to solve the issue or the problem.
I see. And what are the common problems you encountered in your work?
Common problem that I can solve or that I am not able to solve.
Uh, Related to some problems, common problems that arising to in your workplace,
A
some.
common problem here in my workplace, I see that the company is commonly using the Microsoft software at the same time the Microsoft Office. We are uh, using these tools for communicating and to compiling some files and information of the company. Some problems here is crashing down the software, losing some files. At the same time, if there are new update, sometimes the software that is implemented or installed on the device is not compatible. That's why we should trouble it. And before we trouble it or before we deploy the software, we make a testing and we use this for the meantime for some PC to check if it will properly work before deploying it.
Okay. Now I know. So now I would like to ask. For me, I'm planning to buy a laptop or PC. Can you give me some advice as a customer? What are the factors to consider buying PC or laptop?
Okay. If you're willing to buy a or if you would like to invest on a PC or a laptop,
Yeah.
first of all, you should know what are you what is your need, not
Okay.
on what you want. Because based on my experience on selling and advising some uh, computer or uh, advising to people that would like to buy a computer, my first question is, what is your job or what will you gonna do on that computer or laptop?
Okay.
If you are a student
Yes.
or you do just use this for studying, you don't need a high-end computer. If you are a gamer, you need a high-end computer with high graphic performance like higher video card or game developer or a Photoshop or video editor. They use high graphics performance. In some part of the field, in our field, our client just need a computer with high memory because they do lot of tasks, um, multitasking on their work. For you, you should know what you need first, not on what you want, and what is your job that you will use on that computer.
So, any brand of computer you
Based
recommend?
on my experience, for me, the best brand for me is either Toshiba,
Yes.
Lenovo, or IBM. Neither of them, because they are very, what do you call this? The device is very intact and it will survive in any damage or long time period. You can use it in long time period, even though there are updates or new device that will come up on the market, it will still working and it can be compete on the new model, even though it's a old model, because this is a best brand.
Very nice information. So, when I have a laptop, so how can I avoid from virus attack?
Uh, First, where can we get the virus? The virus came in from the internet, where we download or gather some information. Once you download a file, a documents, sometimes there are unwanted or harmful file that um, came in to our computer. That is the virus or that is the malware. Um, First, you don't download or go to the untrusted site. Sometimes some browser notify us that the site you are entering is untrusted or there are harmful part of the software, the site, and don't download a lot on torrents, because torrent is a widely used sharing site that everyone can upload, and sometimes some hacker put a virus on the files that they upload in there.
Okay. So, I have one more questions before my time will end. How can I able to prevent or protect my credentials from hacker?
Okay, from credential, first of all, never log in or save your credential on computer or desktop that many user use
See, public.
public. Never use your credential on public. Then always delete your history once you log in on different computer or the or so that you can prevent other to check if is accessible, or and then never, or if you would like to connect to Wi-Fi, always provide your own, because if you are just always lagging on different Wi-Fi and asking for free Wi-Fi, there are a lot of hacker that capable on entering that network.
Now I know. So thanks for so much information that I've learned from you. And by the way, I have reached already my time limit.
There's no problem.
And thank you for the time that you have given to me.
Thank you.
Thank you.